Where we're like colder here than we are in Alaska or something, Michelle?
Well, you know, it's going to be just brutally cold, and it's not just here. People are talking about escaping down to Florida, even all the way down into the deep south. There's going to be some brutal cold temperatures here on the East Coast in the coming days, potentially some of the coldest we've seen in more than 10 years. We look at our radar right now across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, and we are catching a couple of flurries now starting to pop up to our north. I want to widen out the view just a little bit so that you can see some of this activity. It's all very light right now, but a sign of some developing snow showers and snow flurries that we'll have to keep an eye on for later this morning. The bulk of the activity in our area comes through during the afternoon and early evening hours, and then past that we are going to be dealing with those frigid temperatures here as we head into tonight and tomorrow. So a lot of things to get to. Light snow today. We've got the potential here, in fact, likelihood of a strong weekend storm. This one not just bringing snow, but also some strong winds with it. Put the two together and you're talking about reduced visibility, even the potential for some blizzard conditions, especially eastern Massachusetts. We followed up with another shot of brutal cold. So we actually have two bouts of very, very cold temperatures. The first comes in here later tonight and into Friday. Temperatures right now are single digits in Smithfield, but the winds are light. 11 Providence, 19 Newport, 20 in New Bedford, 18 in Boston. So not much of a wind chill out there right now, but the winds strengthen overnight. Gorgeous sunrise this morning. Live city cam in Providence showing those clouds streaming overhead. Enough breaks in the cloud cover though to allow for that colorful start. 11 degrees for the temperature in the Providence area. Here's another look. 7 in Coventry right now, 16 in Ninnergret. Getting kids ready for the bus stop this morning. They'll need to bundle up. Mostly dry and cold for the morning hours. A couple of snow showers around by 3-4 o'clock this afternoon. We have low pressure that's going to transfer its energy into a developing storm offshore. It does strengthen, and that's why we get the stronger winds, but it's far enough away that we don't get any major snowfall from this. In fact, our computer models really backed off on the snowfall for today. I still think we'll have the potential for some snow showers or even snow squalls during the evening hours. This is at noon today, so partly mostly cloudy skies. Then you get this little burst of snow. This is at 5:30 in the evening. So these dark blues where there's heavier snowfall, and as this comes through, could give us a quick inch of snow, and then we'll continue to race out of here. So coating to an inch across Rhode Island. We may see some ocean enhancement heading out towards Cape Cod, keep the snow going a little while longer, which is why they have the potential for a little bit more snow, 1 to as much as 3 inches. Then comes the cold. These are late night lows, 2 to 10 degrees across our area. Add in the winds and the wind chills well below 0. Looking ahead to that storm potential Saturday afternoon and Sunday. It's a major coastal storm. Still some questions about how close, but there's a potential for both snow and wind. Futurecast shows is actually coming in now a little earlier than what we were thinking. Computer models are showing snow breaking out mid to late afternoon on Saturday, continuing into Saturday night and into Sunday. So here's what we're thinking. What to expect with this weekend storm. Snow starts Saturday afternoon, continues into Sunday afternoon. Winds potentially 35 to 45 miles per hour, which would lead to blizzard conditions. The highest risk of that is eastern Massachusetts. I'm looking at the potential for 6 to 12 inches or more of snow possible in our area based on the latest data that I've been looking at today. Now we're still more than 48 hours out from the first flakes from this storm system developing, so you'll need to check back in for updates through the weekend on this storm. But notice all the cold air. So we're at 2 above tonight. Friday's high near 13. Wind chills on Friday, 10 to 16 below in our area in the morning hours and staying below 0 all through the day. We have even colder temperatures potentially by Monday morning, 4 below with a high in the teens. Another storm